Life too short, even can whoa. I am losing my head, losing my mind, losing control. Oh, these features the same, they're starting at me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I was one match for a mix of drum. Whoa, 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 whoa. If we go find our way to cities that try to run into some fortune that I should have from being known. I am waiting for this moon syrup to come down, come down. Life too short to even care about. Whoa. I am coming up, not coming up now. If from the blue, whoa, yo, 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 yo. There's been some beings back out there looking for me. You are wow, 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 wow. I just know I just shit for us, planning shots with some wow, 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 wow. If you could find a way to set this a try. Yeah, I wanna want to stop watching. I thought I should have gotten me now. Also one of the things they say could restore me. Restore life the way we should be waiting for when this was all silver to come down. Love to start and go. Wow, I am losing control. Wow. Think we find a way to set it straight. I want a way to some fortune that I should have found by now. So I want when the things of the crystal me restore life the way I should be. I'm waiting for this zero to come down. Oh yeah. Once more, open up from concealer down. Whoa! Once more, I've concealed now. Oh.